Morning everyone, it is Tuesday morning, it's 6:47. Me and Jake are just leaving home. We're just doing it's a 4x5 shed slab prep and a 12 linear metre footpath, 12 squares. So yeah, it shouldn't be a bad day. Dig out, I'll jump back on the digger, you know, I'll try to stay on it and stay consistent. But if we're going a bit slow, I'll just be like, Jake, you jump on it and you clean it up. But we should have a good day. We're just going to go get a coffee, and the job's over in Boambi, so near where I worked yesterday, but the other side of the highway. And we're just going to look at another job for a guy. He wants some concrete cut in the industrial area, and he wants to be able to put some electrical pipe in. Jordan, his name is, he's an electrician, JK Electrical. I think that's his business. But we'll just look at that and we'll be getting to work. I'll see you guys when I get to work there. Alright, I'm just waiting for Jake. Jake was just behind me. We got caught behind me. But I'll say some stuff. So this is the job. It's a path and a shed. That's going to be the shape of it anyway. And our shed height's going to be the same as them weep hole heights over there, so it's not too bad at all. I dropped in here today just to drop some stuff off. Oh, that'll be Jake. Are you there?
Hey.
Hey.
I should, well, what number it was?
Alright, Sunbird.
Oh, yeah, actually, you there? Oh, no, okay.
Which did you turn the first left?
First left on Linden?
Yeah, and it should be, I'm standing out in the street.
Right.
I'm only just like a couple hundred metres up the street, parked just in the driveway. You'll see the ute.
Oh, yeah, sweet.
Laser for that height, so we're coming off this height here. Shed's going to be set up at that. This is about 100 mil above of what we've got there now. 150 down this corner, but that's good. It'll work out nice. If you want, we could probably come into here. Unload this machine. Nice. That's got heaps of room, doesn't it? Yeah, you just watch me. I measured it and thought I'd have enough, eh? Is this front one even lower?
No, that one's a bit higher, it's good.
Oh, good. I thought it would just be close. I got enough though, eh?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Straight, yep. That's good. Keep coming. Yeah, that's good. Straight at that. Nice. That's good. Bit more. About there. Oh, yeah, a bit more. Oh, you may as well get all the way up there, eh? If you want. It's pretty good. I'll hold him at this height. And if you just set him, I'll give you that piece. If you go do that.
It's stable, wasn't it?
Yeah, maybe. What did that old guy say to me? He goes, oh, I've seen that. I know these lasers can level themselves, but man, that's on an angle. And I was looking, in my mind, I was like, oh, not really on an angle. But then when I looked at it closely, it was. I'll only jump on the machine. I'll jump on the machine for like 20 minutes or something. But this is our height. It's pretty much at it anyway. But suppose you just got to take the grass and that off.
Oh yeah.
I'll jump on for like 15 minutes or something, and then I'll let you on to that. I'll go for a little bit more and then I'll start making that box and stuff up. I'll just get to there. It's not too bad, I suppose. I'll just make sure with him, Jake, just that he doesn't want it any more bigger.
Oh yeah.
Just so if it like, I don't think he will. I think we'll be fine. Hey Rob, you there? The shed exactly is 4.4 by 5, isn't it?
Well, we wanted the slab 4 by 5.
That's right. All right, cool.
But it's shed we haven't even.
But the shed might be a little bit smaller just to sit on.
It might be smaller and sit on it. Yeah.
And then you'll just silicone it in anyway or something.
They do. I don't know.
Yeah, that'd be fine if you if you put it up on there. It's going to be up out of the ground anyway.
Yeah.
So
yeah.
it'll be fine.
Yeah, and I'll put something on it, you know, like to work it out.
Yeah, no, that's fine. No, cool. All right, I'll just double checking. That's all.
Yeah.
That's going all right. We'll probably have 2 loads of this grass to take away, so
Oh, yeah, okay.
but it'll be all right.
Yeah. Going all right.
Yeah, no, going in good. I'll get you out when we set that box in, and I'll make sure where you want it.
Okay.
All right, no worries. Thank you. Yeah, no, that's all right. Sorry, Jake. I'll just take the ground, and I can probably take this away to Michael's.
That puppy's loaded up, isn't it?
Yeah. I'll probably just take the Mikey's, eh? Check that ground. That's all right. Yeah, straight there. Oh, look at that.
Is that top of the slab there?
Oh no, it's gone off.
Oh, ground level.
That's the dirt level. That's like 100 mil lower. Let's double check that off.
Dust over it.
Yeah, even if it's got a build up of dust. So that should be sort of there somewhere. I'll just... Yeah, that's it. About 120 lower, so that's good. I think I've over that dirt, you know, you can see that it's probably taken a big chunk out when I've taken it, eh? That's
When the grass is like that, you know, you still have to take like 100 mil to get the grass with it.
with it, yeah. See, it's not good there. That's perfect there.
Probably take it out of that corner and push it over here if you want to, just flatten it a bit.
Yeah, I think that's good there. It's taken obviously way too much there, but that's all right. I'm just making sure it's all lower. Doesn't matter if I build it up with dust anyway. I was going to say, we can probably have a bit of smoke, eh? And then I was going to say, I can, if you want, I can take this up to Michael's. Just have to, obviously, we've got to just, if you you'd be able to tidy that up anyway a bit, eh? That's pretty good like that, isn't it? That's, oh. Hey Bailey.
Hi.
Hey, that dirt, it's not real good dirt, it's only grass.
Yeah, okay.
The width of the board, eh?
A little bit more?
Yeah.
We'll have to probably square this up anyway.
Yeah.
It's pretty close there. Oh yeah, a bit more. But there, check this in. I reckon this one's going to come around a little bit. About there, eh? Alright, cool. And that's, I'll check all this diagonal and stuff. If you go on the 100, what are you right? Are you right on the, are you on the 0? 100? So 6.5. You're on the 100A.
Yeah.
So that's good there, that's 6.5. And then just check this one, I might undo that one as well. We'll do a couple little piers in them corners.
Yeah.
And do you want that smooth finish, that?
Yeah. Oh well.
Smooth finish, that shed, and then
Yeah.
this will be a broom finish.
Broom finish, yeah.
Yep, but the shed can be a
Yeah,
smooth one. I'll
smooth finish.
helicopter it.
Yeah.
It'll be me, Jake, and another guy
Yeah.
on Thursday.
Yeah.
We're going good, eh?
Yeah. All right.
Alright, thanks Rob for that.
Is this path going to run sort of into it?
Yeah, so,
Just cut the piece out after, will you?
yeah, we'll just cut a little piece out after.
We should put this back here.
Yeah, that's right, I might even move that one over to here. Then we can go through, yeah, that's it. If you put one there and then we can cut it out. But the path's going to have a step in it.
Oh, okay. Steps down to it.
Steps down here like 50 mil or whatever. What's that? A little bit down? 15?
Yeah.
I'm going down, isn't
Another
it?
50. Oh, yeah.
Try now. 5? Yep, I'll go one more. I reckon there. 1 mil, nice. That one should be good then. Oh, that one should be good there. Yeah, 3 mil. Suppose I can just... Nice. Alright, and this one, them ones are all good. Alright, we've boxed that nearly up. Get some crusher after. Yeah, alright, we'll be able to make that work anyway. So what I'm doing is just, you know, it's pretty self-explanatory, just filling in the gaps so concrete can't spew out everywhere. And then, you know, you're losing concrete and two-ton of dust should cut it. I might just get to an half ton. We're just boxing up the footpath, that's all. Yeah, nice. There's a couple in these middles here. Strengthen it. There. Yeah, it'll be inside, won't it? Because then the...
Yeah.
Oh crap, no, we need more.
Need more out of the ground.
We need to take more, we need to go to here.
Right.
Oh, sorry, that's my bad. Hey Rob, is it a metre path? Or 1200? Yeah. I can't remember, I got it on the email here, I can look. A metre, that's what I thought, by 12 metres long. Yeah, no, that's right. Yeah, that's what it was. It was a metre wide but 12 metres long. I was thinking, oh, it was at 1200. But that looks alright, doesn't it? Look good, it's got probably a little bit of fall going that way. And we might just tilt it this way a little bit. Yeah. Nah, sorry Jake, that's my bad. Right here. We might have to maybe take the tiniest little bit out with a shovel. I'll just put a pencil mark there. So there though, that's what it is. I'll just put a pencil mark. Wow, they must have been sort of milling that too.
Oh, yeah.
It wasn't even like that last time. You could drive into there.
Wheelbarrow action at the quarry. There's two, that's after that guy said, oh, load the little, now one of the blokes said, it looks like they're loading a toy truck.
Toy truck. What's them little, what are them little toy ones you get? They're like yellow?
Tonka.
Yeah, the Tonka. Alright, we're gonna screed a bit of dust. We're just back to the quarry. What's that?
Looks like it's going to be right for the heat.
Yeah, no, you got plenty of room, yeah. Just come back at that. Yeah, straight back. See this here, like that's all 100mm thick, and there's a little edge beam around it plus them little piers, so it's nice and solid. Yeah. And then we'll push all this in.
That back in,
But we'll do that once we strip all the pegs and stuff on Thursday. Alright, nice, thanks for that. And we'll finish boxing this piece on Thursday morning because I don't have enough timbers. I've got some better ones at home. Alright, and a bit of plastic and that over it. Yeah. Alright. It's 3 o'clock, or just me and Jacob had done. Alright, I am just leaving the job for the day. It was good, we got that all pretty much prepped up and ran out of timber. The timbers that I had there, those little short pieces, but as I was saying, it was a good day. Me and Jake got that done. I ran out of timber, ran out of good straight timber, plus I didn't have enough because that slab got a little bit higher out of the ground than what it originally was going to be. It was sort of just going to be 90mm box straight on the ground, you know, 90mm box straight on the ground, a couple of them little piers in the corner, not really with that little footing around. And so yeah, we pour Thursday. I'll finish prepping up. Can't get concrete till about 11 on Thursday. And it is, you know, it is what it is. So I think Thursday's meant to be pretty warm. So, but I'll chopper finish the little shed, garden shed, and Aiden and Jake can do the little path or whatever. We'll smash it in. It's only 30 squares there or something, 35 squares. That's only 32 squares or something. So, yep. Anyway, I'll see you guys then.